Hey, what is going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to go over 3 supplements you need to look into if you're wanting to boost testosterone levels the right way. This is probably my favorite area of interest. I enjoy very much learning and researching testosterone subjects. So I'm about to give you the 3 best natural supplements for testosterone production and utilization. So get your pen and paper ready. Obviously, they won't be as potent as injecting testosterone. There are no supplements that can raise levels comparable to that, but these are void of the nasty side effects and won't make you a prisoner to lifelong TRT. Testosterone replacement therapy can work great for someone, but it doesn't fix your problem. It is just a treatment you essentially need to do forever. That gets very expensive over the years, so why not just fix the source of the problem instead of just putting a band-aid on it? So the first supplement I'm going to go over is an herb called Coleus Forskohlii, and it's the active compound Forskolin that makes things really happen. It activates an enzyme called adenylate cyclase. This results in increased cyclic adenosine monophosphate, or cAMP. This means better sensitivity, activity, and amounts of hormones all throughout the body. It has been shown to increase androgen receptor activity, which means better utilization of the testosterone that you already have. And it's recommended to take about 10 milligrams of Forskolin each day. That's 10 milligrams of the active compound, not the full spectrum Coleus Forskohlii. Next up we have L-Carnitine L-Tartrate. This also has an effect on the androgen receptors, and this one's been more researched in resistance-trained individuals. Many people are aware that weightlifting has a positive impact on testosterone levels, so I would always recommend doing that anyway. So it's great if you already have started doing some sort of resistance training. Carnitine is going to allow for improved recovery, so hopefully that means you can make more trips to the gym regularly, and it's ultimately going to lead you to better progress overall. Now, I would recommend taking 2 grams of this daily, and it's optional if you'd like to use another 2 grams right after your weight training sessions. And finally, my favorite herb, ashwagandha. I like this for many reasons, so check out my other video dedicated to this herb. I left a link in the description, but for now I'm going to just focus on the benefits for testosterone purposes. There are many studies out there showing 15 to 20% increases in testosterone. One reason may be its ability to lower cortisol and help balance the adrenal hormones. It has also been shown to increase luteinizing hormone, and it decreases FSH. Those are the directions you want these two to be going, respectively. I'd recommend taking about 600 milligrams a day. Since this is an adaptogen herb, it will only be most effective if you cycle with it. You don't want your body to get too tolerant to it. It just won't give you really any benefit doing it that everyday style. And that is all. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this has been helpful to you. I've left links to the very best brands of the supplements that I've just talked about in the description. I personally use all 3 of these products. And like always, I only promote high quality and affordable supplements. And thank you for watching.